Before beginning the flexibility assessment, begin with a 5 to 10 minute aerobic warm-up. The Canadian trunk forward flexion test targets the hamstrings and lower back muscles. First, you must remove your shoes and then sit with your feet against the box. You must then reach forward while exhaling and hold for 2 seconds. Make sure that your knees aren't bending and hands don't overlap. Report twice and score in centimeters. Use the average scores from both. Next is the YMCA sit and reach test, which assesses the lower back and hamstrings. First, shoes will be removed. Place the yardstick on the floor and place a strip of tape on the 15-inch mark. Align feet with tape approximately 1 to 10 inches apart. The reach forward exhale during fingers must touch yardstick and hold for 2 seconds. Make sure knees aren't bent, hands don't overlap, and repeat twice. Get the average for both scores in inches. Next is the chair sit and reach test, which is used for older population. It assesses lower back and hamstrings. You must sit in the chair 17 inches in height against the wall. Extend one leg with the ankles dorsiflex. Keep one leg flat on the floor and keep head aligned normally during reach. Exhale during reach and hold for 2 seconds where someone holds the ruler for measurement. You must score both left and right legs. Repeat twice, get the average for both scores, and measure in inches. Scoring for this test goes as follows. Space between fingers and big toe is scored as a negative, and fingers past big toe is scored as a positive, and touching toes is scored as 0. Next is the Thomas test, where it assesses hip flexors. You must lie supine. Bring legs to the chest, first on right leg and then left. Hold for 2 seconds. For scoring on the test, it is determined if unflexed leg remains in contact with the mat, the hip flexors are flexible. If the leg doesn't remain in contact, hip flexors are not flexible.